Do you believe that hell has for real? As ancient people has told to the next generation, so people did. So they began punishment by those activities.
Hello and welcome to the Power of Kingdom Cambodia. So this time we're gonna show all of you about the secret behind the hell. Nowadays, people rarely believe in having hell. They think that it is a fairy tale to scare people or to do good deeds and avoid from the meanness, depart from the social law. People all around the world, under the law of the universe or the laws of nature, no one can escape from death. The body is belong to another. It means that nothing is permanent. However, body of human is dead, but their soul will never be die. The soul who have married and always do good will born in a high place or position. And about people who is mean, they will stay at uncomfortable zone, suffering by their action. The law of the universe has limited everything by the Karma law. No one can against it. Recently, scientists of Finland and Russia, also researchers under the earth, explore gold ore, has found the gateway of hell has 8 levels and claim that hell is real. By drilling to the bottom deeply at 14 kilometers in Russia, not only that, scientists have discovered and heard the haunted sounds of million souls in their cameras. Surely the pain and suffering in the hell as well. The discovery of hell has shocked to Asia and Europe. Moreover, hell is under the surface of earth that people cannot know. Additionally, hell is a place to choose a sin of the human soul, which commit the action against the laws of the universe. According to the Buddha, said that hell is releases exactly. There are many levels of hell to keep the soul have karma, always do bad things. So it makes them suffering by their activity. For people or soul who against the law of the universe, that is the 5 precepts of the Buddhism determine cause them to go to the deep hell to keep the soul. The suffering of hell is truly terrifying. All kinds of punishment make them get pain or hurt a lot. That fall into the fire lakes is a pit of the karma. Cannot know the day get out from it. In that, the sound of Christ, spirit of hell, has confirmed the karma that they never commit marriage, always envy others, kill animals or people. Not only that, they exploitative or other will to be their own, without pity or emotion for other people. And some people are cruel, losing consciousness. They don't know what is right or wrong, and also what is moral and sins. That's why the Buddha stated that what they get is what they did. Because of this, he has taught people to think positive, always do good, be kind, and help each other. The power of love can solve everything and make the peaceful world. All do like this regularly. They will get rid of from hell. After that, a righteous people who commit good deeds will be reborn in heaven. According to superstitions or abstract spirit, the hell and heaven really exists in the world. It is not only a fairy tale like those people say.
In addition, there are many people have illusion or superpower, have gone to hell and seen what the Buddha said exactly. Not only that, there are some of Cambodians who are only caught in a coma, not die, has arrived with a spirit to hell which remembers and contains the immersion of the people suffering the painful sound of the soul in the hell. This is the story of hell where those people saw and told about the punishment which God revealed for them. As we already know, most spiritual people always know the event by the ritual training from the God that take care of them, which God revealed for them. Moreover, there are many people who believe their incarnation or past life and a story they have seen and told to the people, but only a few people believe it. Furthermore, those who have a strong belief always strive to build good deeds in order to free themselves from all evil leading to the fall into hell by praying, keeping the precepts, and overtake the dharmas. Now, the increasing of bad people are more and more, especially young people are getting rulers or have become rulers than the good old days when they show respect to their elders. The good old days refer to the people nostalgic memories of the past. They don't agree and perceive from it. Human creatures full of karmas and sins are inescapable from hell. When they die, the human soul will be judged by the king of evil in Khmer called Yumarik. This is the laws of the universe that no one can escape. The merit and sins are separate as water and oils. If we do good, we will get good things in life, and if we do bad, we will get bad things or darkness in life. Therefore, everyone should be wake up and work hard to build merit. Be good and kind from the bottom of your heart. Be a role model for a human being to guide them to the bright and happiness. The way to release the negative or the sadness is to remind of the Buddhas, the Dharma, the monk, which is the way of the futures, as the Buddha stated that there is nothing equal to the meritorious deed. So, this is the end. Please apologize for our mistakes. If you have any story to share, you can share with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.